Good morning. What's going on? Are we ready to rumble? Do 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 do. All right. Fun day. CPI. Like I expected, it went lower. So that makes sense. So we'll see if today's Thursday reversal, or like meaning then we're gonna have more downside today. What's up? Good morning. How's everyone doing? Let's change the title of this to CPI Aftermath. Trading CPI Aftermath. NY AM session. Woo. All right. So let's see how it goes. You guys. So because you guys have made this like show already so popular, a bunch of firms have been reaching out to me. They're like interested in doing some giveaways. So let me know if you're interested in doing some giveaways. And we're gonna get that popping soon. Yeah. Okay, so what else is there to say? Let's see, we have this. Oh yeah, I wanted to mention, Apex. Does anyone here use Apex? Today is the last day to pass a challenge in one day. So if today's a day you kind of want to just try to stack up your 50Ks at Apex, you can use code Tanya Trades for 71% off. Comment below if you use Apex. I feel like a lot of people do, right? Like I think it's like one of the most popular. I also use them. It's really powerful for scalping, I think. So there's that. And I think I mentioned in the past couple of days, there's MyFundedFutures. Today's I think the last day to get a 30K static account from them, where the target is 2,100 and the drawdown's 1,500 static. It won't trail you. So I think that's really good for especially beginners. And there's no activation fee, and you can withdraw as much as you want when you make money in it. So there's a lot of perks there as well. That's in the link in the description. You can use, you make sure you use code static50 for 50% off there, okay? For that one. Don't use Tanya Trades for that. I want you guys to get the best deal. That would, my code with them is, I get a special thing, like I get to give my followers 24% off basically anytime you use my code on there, including expert plans. So their expert plans are cool because, again, you can pass in one day and you can withdraw as much as you want. There's no like threshold, like you can only withdraw like, you know, $1 grand, $2 grand, whatever your account size is. So check the links in the descriptions for that. So, but yeah, let me know if you're interested in doing some giveaways. Maybe we'll do one tomorrow because I do have another firm, Take Profit Trader, wants to do giveaways. So let me know in the live chat. What do you guys use actually? Do you use multiple firms? Or do you just stick to one? I'm kind of interested in that. Yeah, Take Profit Trader. Thank you, Lewis. One more thing. Take Profit Trader. I actually want to. Take Profit Trader has their no fees promo today, which gives traders 40% off all account sizes, and you pay no activation fees. So typically it's $130 for that. And for Take Profit Trader, you can withdraw on the first day. That's their major, right? So every firm has a little bit of different rules. For Take Profit Trader, I think you have to trade a certain amount of days to pass. But once you get to funded, this is good for seasoned traders. you can withdraw the first day. You make money, you make 200 bucks the first day. You want to withdraw 100, you take it. You made $3,000 the first day, you want to withdraw 1,000, you can take it. So my code for that is again Tanya Trades, and let me see for the link. Put that in the description real quick for you guys. So basically, all the codes are Tanya Trades to get a discount. Oh wait, use the no fee for that one. No fee. Oh no, that's just use code Tanya Trades. Okay, cool. Gotta keep up with this. But yeah, let me ask the poll, right? What macro indicator am I using? It's called ICT macros by Cognito. So yeah, you guys, so I do make a commission on any accounts that you buy. That's how I make a little money on the side as well from this, since YouTube doesn't really pay that well. So I appreciate any time you use my code. But yeah, basically, I think every one of them, Tanya Trades, unless you're getting a static 50, use static 50 from MyFundedFutures. Okay. Today's the last day for Apex. You want to pass in one day. So if you want to stack your 50K accounts today and you want to, try your luck, try your trade-in, because some people like to try to pass in one day. They do have a trailing drawdown intraday. So for that, that's that drawdown, right? Each firm has something different. But for Apex, it's powerful because you can stack 28 different accounts. All right. I look like a professor today. Is that what someone's saying? Because I'm wearing glasses? Does it not work anymore? My glasses, yeah, they're blue light. Yes. Okay, cool. Thank you, Lewis. Right, so take profit trader. You can take out the first day. You can withdraw the first day. 40% off. Etc. Okay. I think we're good with that. So, looks like CPI just threw us lower, through a loop. Let's see on the daily what we look like. So we're still have a green day. Still having a green day. We're still green on the day. Let me see how we look in here. Yes. YM is already almost up to data highs. Ooh, DXY. That's where we gotta start first, right? Let's take a look at Dixie. Can't believe there's 1,000 people here already. Leave a like. I appreciate it so much. That helps out the channel a lot. Okay. So let's check it out. Let's check out Dixie. Like we said, we're between two meteors, right? It looks like we dug again into the daily fair value gap. Let me check out what is 50% of this. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask the chat, do you guys use multiple firms? How do you guys determine, type in the chat, how do you determine what firm you like? Do you just go by whatever's on sale at the time, or do you go by a certain one? Are you loyal, or do you care about certain rules? Because I have talks with I've been talking to some of the people higher ups in these prop firms, so I can actually vouch for you guys if you want to change a certain rule for some of them, right? If they're a startup like MyFundedFutures, I find their team super responsive. So that's what I like about them. Really good customer support at a startup. They if they have their own Discord, so you're having trouble, join their Discord. Okay. Which prop firms do you use? Question mark. Multiple? Just my favorite one. Just my favorite. And I'll just do start poll. And you know what? I understand that there's so many different rules for so many different prop firms, and especially for a beginner, it can be really hard to like figure this out, read all the rules, go on all the website, do all the research. So I think I'm gonna make like a video presentation like in the next day or so and make a little video on my YouTube about like pros and cons of each one and like what I believe is like the best for each kind of trader, whether it's like you're a beginner, you're a seasoned trader, you're intermediate, or if you're more of a scalper, or if you hold for like one shot, one kill, like longer moves. Like, so I understand that for sure. Cause I was there. I've been there. Been there confused and like my eyes bleeding reading all these FAQs. Okay, so DXY. Let's mark out like CE of this wick in case it comes back to it, right? 2 minutes until open. To me, it looks, we're looking like we came back in here and then we might, if we do like a bearish shift, then we're going to be bullish more on indices today. And we're going to go for data highs. Data highs, CPI is like, you know, the high that they left. Okay. I want to see what's 0.25. Oh, 0.75 then. 1 minute till open, 1 minute till open. 102.62, so it actually reached higher than that. Okay, it's fine. Okay. To me, this literally looks like little soup above, but we gotta see, we gotta see. Woo, 1250 people already here. Thank you for coming back if you're a returning viewer, and if you're new, welcome, welcome. Yeah, it looks like it's swept above here, and it looks like we're starting to go for perhaps these equal lows and then lower. So then indices could be more bullish. Let me draw that out. Equal lows on Dixie. You guys say DXY or Dixie? Type that in the chat. I like interchange, and I saw yesterday that some people were laughing about that I was saying Dixie. My best friend Dixie. Okay. Choo. Look at YM, almost at that high. Oh, already took out the high. Ooh, SMT for now. But if we're still bullish, you know, that doesn't really matter, especially if we kind of have like a bull bias. That doesn't really matter. It just means that YM is stronger for today. All right, let's check out NASDAQ, our one and only love. Okay. Check out the it's open. Sorry, open already. I believe I had the macro on, no? It's loading, it's okay. We pushed away, already rebalanced this. Now, here, mitigation block, right? Five minute. To me, it's looking like DXY is bearish. Why is TradingView like being weird today? Is TradingView being weird for you guys? Oh, my other one's fine. All right, let me switch to the other one. Okay, here we are. We're good, we're good, we're good. Okay. 3 minute, 1 minute. All right, I don't know why it's doing that for me. So let's go. Yeah, there, we're just gonna watch this. Let's extend this out. This is a 1 hour fair value gap for DXY. So my humble opinion, if we break down from here, we should go for this. I'm gonna go to the 1 minute now for this. Okay, we're holding this for now, but let's check that out for DXY. Okay, stream. Okay, let's see. What happened, James? Roman Rodriguez, that's funny. Explain 40 videos. Come on, dude. You guys say Dixie, 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 DXY. Okay, cool. Lots of people say Dixie. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, Beach Panda, about you getting banned. Honestly, I recommend trying MyFundedFutures if for now, because you can withdraw as much as you want. So I can't really, honestly, with Top Step, I don't have the pull there because they've been around for a long time. I don't think I have the pull to get people unbanned. But, you know, there's plenty of other firms, thankfully, now. Yeah, some people use your own capital. That's smart. I use my own capital as well sometimes, especially for swings or larger moves on options. That's what I like to use for my own capital. Okay, so about like 50 for that. Cool. Is my main model 2022 but with breaker? My main model is just 2022. Breaker makes it better, right? Because it's either going to be mitigation block if it's a failure swing or breaker. So let's mark out these CPI highs. Looks like, you know, we already retraced more than 50% here. Let me mark out 10 a.m. as well. Okay, I think I did here. Okay, cool. Go in here. Yeah, DXY, like I said, right? I'm not in the move because, I mean, I just am not, I'm still getting used to trading 930, but it's still good to see, right? I drew this, said, okay, if we reject right here, we're gonna go higher on indices and lower on DXY. And it basically did. So that was your signal there, your clue. But we're going here, I believe, for equal lows and for the data highs on ES as well. Okay, so on the 5 minute, you could actually see it rebalance this fair value gap on ES at open. Interesting. That's what happened. Okay. In the 5 minute, I don't know why like this one's like kind of laggy when I'm switching. But you know what I'm really interested in, once I get like the 930 like down, the 930 strategy that I've been back testing. I don't know what the hell is this browser doing. It's making me angry now. Right? It's like kind of lagging when I'm switching with the time frames. That's really bad. Maybe I have too many open. I don't need this one. I don't need this one. Okay. Let me like Control R, refresh it. I'm just gonna refresh that for a minute, but top right display, we can do this one. ES, this is a 5 minute fair value gap. Rebalanced it. Now heading towards these highs. what you can do, right? If you think that that was that, we're going to keep running, right? You can check out this order block that was created here. Right? Because this looks like continued bearishness. And we shouldn't come back up here now for DXY, so I'm going to put a alert. So I'll be more alert if we come back up here. We should not, because we rebalanced this fair value gap and we closed below now this leg. Right, so now we should reject in this area essentially. Again for DXY, and we should continue for indices. Okay, same thing for NQ. Let me just see if that's gonna work. Okay, now we're good. I just had to refresh. Now we're more smooth. Oh my gosh, 1,500 viewers. Hit the like button, hit the like button. So, watching DXY here at the same time. Being very careful here. I'm not in anything right now. Good morning, everybody. Okay, JD, thank you for letting me know. All I had to do was press Control R. Yeah, to refresh the screen. Beach Panda, I don't really use VIX too much. I would use it for options. I like DXY because it is like pretty nicely correlated. I feel like VIX is like super manipulated. That's what I've seen as well, right? Someone's asked me if I'm married or still single. You can take a look. No ring on the fingers. I'm single, and I'm not in the market either. I'm not dating either. Kind of too focused on other things right now. Trading and YouTube and everything else. Okay. That's enough about my personal life. Hit the like button. If you care more about my personal life, you can follow my Instagram, Tanya Trades, you know. Anyway. Enough plugging in that. Okay, so it's really, really weird to me that we're coming back up all the way up here again, to be honest. It's not looking like the best, as long as we don't come back up in here. Like, this is okay still, in my opinion. Looks like we're like digging back into this on ES, but I'm not in anything right now. I'm just like tape reading this, right? Just like, sure, but we close this here. I don't really like that it's coming up here again. No, not looking that great for DXY. Oof. Weird. So maybe our indices retrace a little bit more. We'll see. Let's draw 50% of this ES. Okay, let's go back to looking at NQ. I'm not sure if this is gonna, I would actually think that this probably won't hold. I don't know. Actually, if we're in a low resistance liquidity run, it should hold, right? But the thing is, DXY is going back up, so I'm not like thinking I would long this. You see, we're back up now here. What do you guys think? Okay, so now we're gonna see if this gets inverted on NQ. Inversion. So no longer, I should erase this arrow, no longer think this is going to hold. Okay, we have our SMTs also, right? So we have our SMTs and DXY is coming back up. So those are kind of, that's a bearish SMT over here, right? YM took the high. YM took the data highs. ES did not, NQ did not. DXY, I said it shouldn't come back up, and it did. And now we're going more bullish, right? Violated this fair value gap that broke the low, created an inverse. Here, dipped back in. Now we're going higher. Okay. Good tape reading so far. What do you guys think? Hit a like button. Hit the like button if this makes sense for you. Basic short for scalp. That's what you guys are saying. Yeah. Why is DXY important? Because that's a dollar index, right? And you should start your analysis on DXY. That's what determines whether dollar is strong compared to the other currencies like the euro. And typically we have an inverse relationship with indices in that. Of course, Forex is going to be inverse also, because obviously if the dollar is strong, the euro dollar is weak, right? That's actually more of a correlation. And when you have the correlation with the indices, those are good market conditions, right? Those are better than when it's like not correlated. That's more of a high resistance liquidity run scenario. Okay, so we inverted this, create a fair value gap here. I actually do think I might try a short there if we come back into it. If I miss it, then that's okay. I'll wait for 10. Because here we did break below low. Honestly, let me put it in the CE of this. Okay. Oof, it's running without me. Didn't come back. Oh well. Still can be happy about my analysis. 15-minute breaker on DXY. Yeah, bullish breaker. That's a great, I love our chat. #1 chat on YouTube. You guys are actually super helpful. It's super helpful when we come together. Look, 15-minute breaker. Yeah, it did come back into this little breaker, and that's where we, smart. That's where we picked up again. Oh well. This ran without me. That's c'est la vie, c'est la vie. That's life. Just wait. Let's measure some standard deviations and let's look at where we would head for. On the hourly is still green candle, so you're not like, you know, if we're bearish for today, then totally not too late. Oof. Okay, I mean, I might still get filled. We'll see. What's the 5 look like? We're gonna go through the little time frames here. Okay. And actually, this is just now the shift on structure. So, gotta chill. Gotta chill. Okay. Okay, bearish breaker is here actually. Correct? Yeah. Therefore, we actually are not going to reach now up back into this. I believe that this is a breakaway gap. because it's above this bearish breaker block. Okay. So let's see if we can just get like a fill there. Yeah. Stop at CE of this. And we'll see if we can get like a fill back in this. Maybe the wick. Depends how good this is. Okay, yeah, 23. Not bad. 75. If I can't get a fill, then I'll just be like, oh shit, oh well, like CPI is so fast. Let me just mark that out so I know exactly like what I want. 75. It's running without me again. I guess this was really the fill in this candle and this candle. Tough luck, Tanya. Tough luck, Tanya. You didn't see it fast enough, then that's okay. That's okay. Equal lows, Nas, yeah, I know. We have to just figure out how to frame the risk though, right? So if I do that, it's like, ugh. It's very, very difficult now. I missed my fill here. It's like, oh, am I gonna go? I guess I could go for a 1.5R, right? I don't know. Okay, so, but now we have to see. Yeah, I'm gonna just see if it comes back or not. 75 will be my fill. Yeah, there's no other fair value gaps or anything. I wish that there was like a fair value gap here would have been easier. Probably there is. 30-second gave you one, Tanya, but oh well, I didn't see the 30-second. What can I do? Wasn't on the 30-second. I was too busy looking at the higher time frames at that point because I didn't really see it, but it's okay. It's okay. We're calling lower prices here, so it's still good to see it. Okay, leave a like button, 18-20 people here, and we're killing it. We're killing it, you guys. So we are reading price really well. Unfortunately, did not get my fill here, but oh well, what can I do? Not much to do here, but it's a low resistance liquidity run, so you kind of have to maybe find something, you know. Oh well. Maybe I should have bought, like if you, low resistance liquidity run today for sure on a Thursday, right? Today's a high impact news day, so it should just go for this. If today is Thursday reversal, it's looking good. It's looking good, you guys. And it's okay. We'll find something. I am sure of it. So I'm gonna cancel this because gotta see what's gonna happen next. Oof. Alright, so we called that well. Shift. I should have just gone in here, but it's okay. I didn't see it. Okay, now this is inverted. Tough luck. Let's just watch it anyway. That's what I would have done. Ah, why did it do that to me? NQ. Okay, brother. I don't start shit, but I can tell you how it ends. Don't get sad, get even. How about the 2-minute fair value gap, someone's telling me? Ooh. Perhaps, you know what, this is an inversion here. I think it could be good. Could be good here. Inversion, 2-minute fair value gap. Yeah, let's try that. Just sell ask here. Oh my god, that's what it's doing for me for sell ask at 82, really? Yeah. Best chat on YouTube though, you guys telling me like, hey, check the 2 minute. The best chat on YouTube. I love you guys. Honestly, no, I'm being so serious. We're the #1 live chat on YouTube. Like, we actually get a good bias and everything else, right? Right, so perhaps this. Perhaps 2 minute fair value gap here. An inversion. Yeah. What would happen if I do like, yeah, let's try that. Why not? It's really not giving me a fill. I should have done it on that inversion here. Oh well. Maybe it will in a minute. Actually, it's gonna be low resistance. Oh, I should just get it. I should just get it in like 1 contract or 2. And then be fine with it. Here. Here. Yeah, we're gonna get in. I'm possibly gonna look like, okay, 1.5 R. That's all right. Yeah, for 50 points. So yeah, and I'll look back later and see, you know, did I rush this or not? But I think that this is a low resistance liquidity run, so it's just gonna keep going like we've seen. It's not giving me any like crazy good entries, so it's not giving me like a second chance essentially. So I'm putting it where 3 PT arrays would fail, which would be like 2 minute fair value gap, inversion, and like this order block. Giving it enough room, right? Like it shouldn't, if we're bearish, shouldn't come all the way back up there. So let's look at DXY for a second. And I'm already in heat, so it's kind of funny that I was like, I can't find a fill, but now I can. It's fine. There's still that 2 minute fair value gap I can wick back into that I was not patient for. But here we're coming back in this inversion. So let's see how it goes. CPI low or what? 92. Yeah, it's kind of like, I totally could have gotten better entries, but oh well. C'est la vie. Maybe 1 more. Do I add? No, it's too much risk then. It's a 20, 33. Yeah, too much risk if I add another one. It's okay. Risk is framed. Should I try on another account as well? Let's try on another account as well. Oops. How come when I'm clicking sell ask, it's doing this to me? Anyone else get this problem? Let's see if Tanya gets wrecked. This buy limit. I think that should be good though. Should be good. We can do 3 on this one. Yo, bro. I'm clicking sell at, this happens actually a bunch to me, right? Click sell ask and it's going all the way up here on Ninja. Why? You know? Por qué? Por qué? I mean, I don't see why people would be bullish here, so looks good for lower. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. And we also have this low here. Did we take that during CPI or did we make an equal low there? Okay, I'm already up 10 points on this other account. Lit. But a little bit of a better entry, but good. Oof. All right, start going lower, please. Why would you stall there? I don't know, but it's fine. I mean, it would do that because of this 2 minute fair value gap. It would come back up again, so it makes sense. Now let's go lower. Yeah, like you see how much better of an entry now. It's 2.5 R here. Yeah. Oh well. I mean, as long as it's over about like 1.5 R, I'm like okay with it. Like my other account, you know. So yeah. 72.5. Actually move that here. Okay. Let's go. Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum bum. Send it lower. The open here and the close here is 72.75. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Right? If I'm wrong, then it's just gonna. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna say someone came in and did manual intervention. How are the options? All right, cool. I sold Lee. Hit a like on that, on the button, hit the like button. Check out Apex. It's the last day that you can, pass an account in 1 day today. Oh, and you know, you guys, like a bunch of firms are talking to me and like they want to do some giveaways. So let me know in the chat. You guys want to do some giveaways? It would be like some like 5 accounts. Sing Domino song? What's that? I don't know that. What's a black unicorn, you guys? Another bearish breaker here? Is that what you're saying? I agree. There's another like low here that was broken. Low. Fair value gap below that low and here. So I don't know why it's stalling, but that's kind of sucks. Like I thought it would be low resistance. I don't like that I'm already I'm in this trade already for about 3 to 4 minutes. I thought it was just gonna run lower. Let's look at Dixie. And now, you know what happened? Actually, YML took the lows and we didn't take the lows yet here. Kind of hilarious. Okay, it's 10 a.m. you guys. It's time for silver bullet for those of you that like silver bullets. I still think it's like the same setup. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And I'm gonna like be like, oh damn. If we invert this, I'm gonna be like, that's not gonna look good. All right, cool. Rejection. All right, now bleed lower and don't let anyone else get in to the trade. Quickly. Do we have 10 o'clock news today or not? Let's check it out. All right, time to bleed lower quickly. Let's go. Let's see some speed now. They had to make the bear flag traders more sweat it out more, I guess. No, we don't have 10 a.m. news. We have 1 p.m. news, 1:01 p.m. auction. Okay. 92.75. We are the champions, my friends. Let's go. Lower. Send it down. What's a song to sing for like lower, you guys? What's a song to sing to tell price to go lower? It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Hit that like button. 2,000 viewers. I love you guys so much. Best live chat on YouTube. We got this right. We hit the cells. We hit the cell. Let's go. Let's go. Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum bum. Ba-dum bum. Come on, price, don't be stupid here. You really have to make another fair value gap and reach into it again? Nah, that's not a good sign then for us. Not a good sign there. Oh, okay, let's go. Reach into it. Now, lower. Lower. Need that big candle now. Let's go. And you know, there's going to be some people holding for more, actually. Like, where does the daily actually start going red? Okay, here it is. Okay. Like, today could be a larger move day, lower. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Okay, 5-minute fair value up here. Cool. Yep. Time to go send it. Send it. What's a good song, you guys? What's a good song to sing for it to go down? Let's go. Send it lower. Oh yeah, someone's saying in the chat. Or what is this, the Kool-Aid man? All right, cool. Large candles. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Drop it like it's hot. Snoop Dogg. I like that one. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Let's go. Backstreet Boys get down. Actually, we going down, down. Yes, DXY is cooperating. Just for everybody to see. Quick little to show we are cooperating on DXY. Continued expansion. Okay. We're just watching us win. We're eating. Who's eating in the chat? Because we went short. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Get down, down. Get low, low, low. Drop it low. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oops, I'm just checking my da 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 bum ba dum ba dum bum 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 ba dum bum ba da da da. All right, let's get it. Let's get it started. We are the champions, my friends. And we will keep on fighting till the end. Let's go. Cause we are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers. Cause we are the champions of the world. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. W in the chat. We got it. 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 ICT doesn't work. ICT. What? Who said ICT doesn't work? Who said ICT doesn't work? Can't see this. You can't see me. Let's go. Let's go. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Woo! Let's go. Who did that? Who got it in with me? Let's go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Woo! Nailed that. Ice in my veins, right? All right, all right, all right, all right. We killed that, we killed that. We literally called when we needed to see the big candles right here. I said, all right, this is the last chance. The train was leaving the station here in this last fair value gap, and we got it. We got it right here. That was the last one. Last chance right there. Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Pumek says, calm down. Everyone knows that was random. What? Oh my God, so random. That's so random. That's so random. That's so random. Must be random, you guys. Oh my gosh. Who caught the cells? Who caught the cells? We literally called it from the start of the day. From the start of the day. We called it SMT. We called the DXY coming back where it shouldn't have. We did it. We did it. We did it. Bum, 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 bum. Let's go. Second stage distribution. That is the silver bullet. I said the 10 a.m. trade would be the same as my trade, and we got it. Weird, 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 weird. Weird. We killed it. We killed that. Let's put on those executions, beautiful executions. I literally went on another account, you guys, to also get in a position there. And I said some people would be holding for more, and we see larger drops. But hey, I'm happy with freaking 63 points. 63 points over here. Let's go. No, Pumex, this is not financial advice, purely entertainment purposes, as we can see. As we can see. Anyway, who got in? Looks like the whole chat went crazy, so we killed it, you guys. We killed it. We're having fun here. We're having fun. Yeah, so we're having fun in here. We said today was going to be crazy, and it is. So let's look at the daily now. The daily is now a larger black candle. We are now at the CE of this daily fair value gap. I believe that we should actually break below this level and then come back and retest it for further downside. So let's see if we can get in anything else. It's okay, mentality man. We're hyping the chat anyway. Even if you didn't get in the trade, but did you have fun? Did you have fun here? I had some fun. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. So random. Let's get this cheddar, folks. I love that. All right. Cheddar. Cheddar. We got cheese. We got the cheese. All right. We killed that. Passed your 5th Apex account. Congrats, RY. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Oof. That's why you're here, mentality man, because you're having fun. Hell yeah. Duck Dad used to ask me if I'm definitely not as calm as before. You know what? I noticed that this is what I'm calm when the trade is like, we're still near the entry, etc. I'm cool as a cucumber, and you know, I'm cool when it's going down, but add some fun. You got to add some fun as it's going down. You know it's going to the target. There's nothing else left to manage. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to have some fun. We're going to troll a little bit the people that say ICT doesn't work. Okay. LaTeX asks me. And also, you guys, I got some coffee. That is the difference. That is the difference. Okay, that's the difference. I quit coffee back in August. Now we're back on it. 1 cup a day doesn't hurt anybody. Okay. Now let's check it out. Let's check out the 15. Actually, the 15 was cool that we bought in here. Now we're breaking structure on the 15 minute. Okay. I wonder, CPI, was this an SMT when CPI data came out on the 15? Let's check it out. Let's check out the other. It looks like it was. Right on, I mean, CPI data itself. Right, this was data highs, we never got there. That was SMT there. We killed it, we killed that. All right. Bum ba dum ba dum bum bum. All right, so look at this. This is strictly 830 CPI, and Q took this high. Okay, now let's check out. What's the face? What's the name? Let's check out the sisters. On the 15, right? We're looking at CPI high, right? Because we already saw this was an SMT, but actually look, ES, did not take that out. Because now we're just analyzing higher time frame. By the way, now the captain backtest has confirmed. So, you know, maybe I try some evals. Maybe I try my, Maybe try some more evals for the rest of the day. Yeah. Whew. Whew. How fun was that, you guys? That was fun. Okay. Right? So if you notice, we're chill when like we're strategizing, we're planning, when we're in the beginning parts of the trade. We're chill even if we take a loss. But when the target is like 75%, 80% to target, we can, and following exactly what I said, making large black candles, then we can get fun with it. Then we can have fun. Hashtag Team Tanya, hashtag #1 live chat on YouTube in here. Okay, so see, ES did not take this, YM did not take this here, NQ did. Okay, where's DXY going now? Well, it should not have hit this, you guys. It should not be coming back up here again, in my humble opinion. We'll see if it rejects CE of this daily wick, but if it does not, then it's gonna go higher, right? And it's gonna go for the high of the wick. Right? Then we're following the bullish part of the curve now. That's what I'm gonna be looking at. Somebody's telling me to use standard deviations. Okay, I did say I wanted to see us close below this also. So anyway, but here on the 15, we're breaking. We're creating a bearish breaker on the 15-minute, right? Not really. No, this is a mitigation block because this did not make a higher high. This is more of like the bearish breaker. It's so big. Meh. Meh. So we'll see. Could literally come all the way up here again. My humble opinion for like more, if it's like going to be a huge day, it should like do this. But anyway, so those of you guys, let's see the Captain backtest model. How's it doing? How's it faring? Let's think about that. Right, I think this is one of the most common indicators on, oh, my bad. This is what I was looking at. 15-minute, right? Perhaps this is the bearish breaker, but that means like we can come all the way back up here, honestly. So let's look at the Captain backtest model. I don't think this is short yet. I don't know why this is. The bias is short, right? And then you wait for a retracement. So perhaps I have something wrong in my settings for this. Wait for, yeah. Oh yeah, it's just bias short. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, that was something with my settings. All right, let's check out the live chat. How you guys doing out there? How you guys doing? $5. Someone sent $5 and I missed it. Okay, Sebastian Murillo. Here we go. Sebastian Murillo, I appreciate the $5 donation. Thank you so much. I appreciate the super chat. 10:15 mental game reminder, which is either reminds me not to be on tilt, but also not overconfident. So I honestly find 10:15 to be a perfect time. Okay, so Sebastian Murillo says, can you please go through why your bias was lower? I don't usually watch, but today would have been a day where I would have been trying longs all morning. Of course. So let's think about this. Let's think about weekly profiles. Thursday, we were looking for Thursday reversal because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is up, and CPI typically is a large move. Therefore, we're looking for low resistance liquidity runs, and we are also looking for reversals based on daily. This is more based on daily, right? We're reaching up here, and we are above the, we took the day before's high. Okay, so first of all, we're keeping the weekly profile in mind, where it's like, okay, 3 up days, likely reversal on Thursday, especially it lines up with CPI. If it's a 4th update, then you look for TJF setup, which is Friday retracement. Okay, so it looks like Thursday reversal is in play here. And I do think actually we are going short more. I do think we're going to go for more. Okay, that was number 1. Number 2, oh my god, another donation. First, I will get to you. Okay, number 2 is that we were looking at DXY. That was really important, right? Because at first I was, if you look, I was actually like, oh, we'll see if we go again for the data highs and it's looking like bullish. But literally, let me take off the indicator. At the beginning of the day, right? I said, I literally was like, marked out this fair value gap here. Okay. And I marked out this data high. I was like, oh, looks like it could go for here, right? But I would have to monitor DXY. At the same time, you want to be in correlation with Dixie for low resistance liquidity runs, okay? You want Dixie on your side. So let's look at DXY at that moment in time. That moment in time was 9:39. Here. 9:39, we already retraced too much on DXY. And I apologize for all these boxes. Okay, this large one is the hourly fair value gap. So if we had broken lower again, finally from the hourly fair value gap here. Let me widen this for you guys. Right, I was like, if we're going higher in indices and we're going for this sell side here, which I actually thought we would go for in the previous days, then we're finally breaking again below this hourly fair value gap. I was like, okay, now we have to start like expanding and keep going. Okay, but at that time, we broke below this hourly fair value gap. Right, this looked like low resistance, came back lower, came back lower. It had already inverted this, and it was over here. And I was like, it shouldn't get above here, correct? Shouldn't get back above here because this price was already balanced. We already came back in it and we closed below. There's no need to come back all the way up here again, okay? So that's violating the bearish PDRA on DXY, which should send us higher. And that was 9:42 when that was happening, or 9:41, right? So let's look at this the same time at that time. 9:41, literally here actually. It was still in this fair value gap, and I said, oh, I don't think this is going to hold. And it did, we inverted it. And then Tanya, she missed her little 30-second fair value gap here, lower. And this was the second distribution, okay? So that's basically the thought process. Okay. Who's next? Who's next? Who else donated? I appreciate it a lot. Okay, let me scroll down. What happened? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Justin H. Oh, here we go. Tanya out here making everybody some money. You're doing awesome and gave us a free concert too. Hit that like button, keep this channel growing. Thanks, I appreciate it. You know, sometimes it's just fun. It's just fun. We can chill. We can sing "We Are the Champions." Hit that like button, I appreciate it. This was too fun. I got a little carried away, I admit. I got a little carried away. But hey, sometimes you can. Okay? How long have I been trading? 3.5 years? June 2020. Okay, so let's look at let's look at NQ again. Bum ba dum ba dum bum bum. Bum ba dum ba dum bum bum. Let's see if we can get like past some evals or something. Dun 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 dun. Bum ba dum. All right. Any other questions? Oh yeah, the chat. Like, I actually want to take a little poll and ask, like, let's ask the chat. Oh, actually, what does it mean when it says start Q&A? It means like I'm. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay. Ask a chat. Okay, you guys also. By the way, like, this is still bearish. Okay. Is this a 15? Yeah. So look, we had our SMT here on the higher time frame. Now we have our, like, this is SMT. Low risk sell. This is actually first distribution starting. So we'll wait until this 15-minute candle closes. And then we'll check out for more. But let's actually have Captain Backtest open on this. It'd be good to see this. Have the Captain Backtest model. You can just go to indicators, and this is free. Captain Backtest model. This is the, if you think that if the continuation models where you think, okay, we're going for trend days. Okay, so today could very, very well be a trend day. It's a low resistance liquidity run day, high impact news. Okay, so we broke below the 4-hour. Now this is retracement. Okay, So now, next we're going to look for is a 5-minute down close candle closing below a green candle. Okay, so I'm actually going to be patient on that, and I might actually try that on an eval. Okay. Alex Payne, you talking to me about the PDF? Yes. That is the 930 model in the backtesting session, and there are in the PDF. Is it still on your computer? It's still blurry to you? Jamie White, how long have I been trading ICT? I've been trading ICT concepts for a year and a half. You can check out on my channel. My main video is like 5 lessons I learned. Okay. I'm gonna ask just like a question about like prop firms, because I'm interested, because a lot of you guys are like, hey, I passed my Apex today, I passed the top step, or I'm close to passing it. I'm interested to see which ones you guys use, or do you use a mix of them? I'm gonna write multiple, okay? Because some of you guys said you only 50% and 50. Oh, and just like, it's for people that use prop firms. So if you just strictly use your own funds, then, you know, the poll is not for you. Okay. Anyway, that was a lot of fun, you guys. And the day's not over. The day's not over. Imagine if ICT's just like lurking in here now and he got a free concert too. You're welcome, Michael. You're welcome. Okay, so right now, look at where he actually rejected. Right at the CE of that daily wick. Okay, I said we wanted to close above. Interesting. Interesting, Dixie. Looks like Dixie's just pausing everywhere. Pause, take it, pause. We'll see if it goes for more. I would like, let's try to figure out where it should pick up. Okay. We are the champions, my friends. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum bum. Are y'all ready for this? Okay. I think we should reject in this area for sure. But we will wait for the signal from the from Captain Backtest. But this is a good area to reject from. Let's check out YM. You guys, we're gonna keep coming back. I love you guys. #1 live chat on YouTube. In the future, we are gonna do some giveaways. I think tomorrow we can do a giveaway. Yeah, I'll announce it on Twitter, but definitely in the next week as well, we're gonna do some giveaways because it's just been crazy. I love you guys. I want to give back to you guys. Okay, someone's saying, I think price on NQ rejected off of daily inverse. Can you check it out? Yeah, a lot of people have been talking about the inverse. I am kind of confused as to what you were talking about, because this is the fair value gap on the daily. So you're talking about what as the inverse? We actually have another one here. I didn't even notice too much. Wow. Bum 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 bum. Oh, actually, I'm so sorry I didn't switch it back to NQ. Right, I don't know what you guys are talking about as the inverse fair value gap, because... Oh, it's this one? Are you talking about this? Ah! You guys see things I don't see. That's why we're the #1 live chat on YouTube. I'm so serious. Like, what? What? Right? So that's already 2 things that happened. The inverse and also like the 15-minute breaker on DXY, right? Somebody in the chat pointed that out. Crazy. Crazy, I swear. Like, someone in the chat points out, hey, we were bouncing here, and that also gave some more confluence to short on the indices, correct? Correct. Cool. Yeah. In my humble opinion, I think we go lower for today, and I think this is a trend day. So I will try. I'll try to frame some risk. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, we don't need that. So a close below would be good. Close below this candle. So anyway, we rejected here. It could definitely reach up again. What do you guys think? I think it's going for more downside. If anything, it like tests this and it like stalls here, and you can like take a partial or so. If it stalls. What time is it? 10:30? You'd have to frame the risk correctly. And it would be like, okay, this is such a large candle. This is like a 30-point candle. You could probably put the stop. That's what I care about. It's like where like, okay, wherever I put my stop, it's like, I know I'm wrong. All right, let's check out the chat. Let's check out the chat real quick. Yeah, it looks for more bearishness, honestly. I'm on a trade right now. We took the short right here. Beautiful short. Yeah, it would be cool. I care about maybe it digs up higher into here because ES didn't do so yet. Let me see. Okay. Yes, we didn't dig into this fair value gap yet, so I do think NQ is going to dig back up again, so I'm not taking a short yet, and DXY is sort of, how would you say, doing a little bit of price discovery. Okay, what's the 15 here? But I mean, this literally looks like, right, daily point of interest. That would start a 15-minute MMXM, correct? Maybe that's more like 4-hour point of interest is 15-minute. So even on like the hourly, this should look like an MMXM. Let's look. The 15 it surely does. Not on the hourly yet. But on the 4-hour, did we come back to? Yeah, we came into a 4-hour point of interest here. Oof, let me take off this back test for a second. Actually, I can make it not visible on higher time frames. Okay. Okay, 4-hour point of interest actually over here. Someone pointed that out as well, 4-hour fair value gap. Good job. And CE of that, wow, the midpoint is where we rejected at CPI news. Correct or correct? Am I correct? Yep. Okay, we're looking at now. How are you reacting there? I didn't take the trade yet, so that's good. We'll see the reaction here, right? We have the bias short. So, but honestly, we take this out. Further short's probably not good for the morning, and then I'll probably look for it in the afternoon. Like, I don't even want us to close above this CE. Looks like DXY. We got the easy trade of the day, so kudos. So let's see DXY now. So much fun. I'm having fun. You guys having fun? Hit that like button. Okay, we're definitely bullish now. Some of you guys think bullish. No, I'm not in a trade right now. You can see when I'm in a trade, there's like a red and green line here, or like a pink and blue line. This is like my executions. Am I showing that right now? No. Yeah, when I'm in a trade, you can see I typically have a yellow line where my entry is, and then green and red lines for take profit and stop loss, okay? And or maybe sometimes pink and blue. Because pink and blue lines are when I put an OCO and I forget to do the ATM. Oof. Okay, so it's rejecting that actually right now. Looking good for more downside. This is where the 15-minute traders are coming in. What do I want to do? Oh, I need to put an NQH. Okay. The 15-minute traders. So this is the Captain backtest model, is saying bias short because we we took out the low from the 6 to 10 a.m. range. This is the 6 to 10 a.m. range. So as soon as we even wick that, that's like giving you the bias for the day. And the Captain backtest model is looking for trend continuation. Okay, so the entry for that, actually I'm just going to try that on this eval with it's not coming up with the entry yet, but yeah, we'll do that. The entry would be if this closes below, that's not the entry. It needs to be here. So that's why I don't like indicators that much. Maybe I didn't put it correctly. It doesn't matter. That's not the entry, it's when it taps that one. So I might just take this off. It's when it goes below this. It didn't go below this low yet. Right, we wait for it to close below, and then, so this is not it. So I don't like that the indicator is showing that. I think there is like a way to change it on here. I know there was, because I told him about this. I trade for Op who created this. Doesn't matter because I know it myself. And if you guys are interested in this model, it's on, I made a video on it called How to Catch Trending Days. So now, honestly, like DXY is not clean. Like, it's weird. We rejected at CE. No, we're not in trade right now. I'm missing an option. What is it? Okay, so it looks like 24% use multiple and 37% use top step. Cool, 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 cool. Why would we measure CE of that wick of the daily candle? Because it's a large wick. I'm always marking out CE because wicks are gaps, right? So there's probably something on the lower time frame that's a gap, but that's basically what we always do. We mark out the midpoint as a possible sensitive area. And the fact is here, I don't see another bullish PDA where we can pick up, so I'm not shorting. In fact, like who's long bias right now? I'm not taking any longs right now. It just looks weird. Let's see. Came up into here. We got the easy short. Let's go. We got the easy short today. Right now, I don't like that we'll see if we close below this. But I don't really like that we violated like 2 or 3 PD arrays here. The order block, down close candles before the new high, fair value gaps, inversions, you know. Tricky, especially if we close below this. It's going to look better for more upside for the rest of the morning. So then we'll just monitor the afternoon. But it's not closing below. So let's see how I'm kind of interested in this fair value gap, because this is a fair value gap that lines up with the order block before the high. Like, is this candle on the 5-minute gonna wick and like come back in it or not? And again, this is still hard conditions, you guys. Like, we're still between 2 PD arrays on the daily. I thought we would be either here or here already. All right, let's read the chat. Someone's saying this is a short back to the lows, but it's going to be grindy and ugly. Some people, yeah, someone's saying at least wait for a proper market structure shift before going long. They're trying to tell the people that are long that. Yeah, the proper market structure shift would be here if it goes above this. Because if we already rejected CE of this and like we're coming back above again, and if we're closing above it, it's going to be like bad news for the bears. You know what I noticed? Honestly, shorts happen quick. Like, that's why I'm fine with taking like and not overstaying. Yes, Keith, we are looking, you would look at the 5-minute. I was just looking at higher structure for that. Yeah, you would look for the 5-minute for captain. No, but that's not the entry. The entry would be if it went below this. So I need to talk to TFO who created this. Maybe it did. No. So the entry is to get tagged. You put the sell stop here. Like, it's a trend continuation type of play. And you would get tagged in here. So you wouldn't get tagged. Right, so let's just monitor this, but we shouldn't come, if we close back above this, it's gonna look bullish. Mr. PO3, no, I don't have a boyfriend. My boyfriend's NQ. Tanya, you're badass. What you're doing takes guts. Love it. I appreciate you. Yeah. It looks like, I agree, Judas Joe, it does look like the sell side of an MMXM. Like, the 15-minute traders are taking this. Like, this is sell side. This is the SMT. This is the first distribution, right? So, we can do that. And this is some old level. So let's look at ES for a minute. We took these lows. Let's look on a higher time frame. So this is where we got out at. I mean, I didn't short ES, but this is like, I'm just looking at these like lows that it took. Here, but I'm looking at like, where would we head for though? Where would you target? To me, it kind of looks like it might have completed, right? Like, if this is the initial consolidation, this is your SMT, this is your smart money reversal, where NQ, right? This is the divergence where during 8:30 news, we took the high there. Okay, we took that high. I don't know why people are saying my boyfriend. I don't have a boyfriend, so my boyfriend is NQ. I'm short. Waleed says he's short. Cool. Cool. Tanya, how many cows to marry you? You guys gotta chill. You gotta chill. The chat is being savage. All right. This is what the 15-minute would be, but where are you aiming for? Where are you aiming for? I don't know. I don't know what I would aim for ES. Let's check NQ. Bum. NQ, let's check. Right, and this is what I was talking about. SMT, NQ. I mean, NES, right, SMT. And then, first, this is low risk sell, and this would be first distribution. NQ did not go for this. Okay, these are some old levels. Interesting. Let's look on the higher time frame. It's difficult here because it's sort of like trend line liquidity, right? We took these equal lows yesterday already, remember? During like from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. So I'm cool with, I'm not taking any shorts right now, especially since like there's no confirmation from Captain Backtest. And DXY is not being cooperative. Like we already took this. I just don't see where we'd go to. Like, do you think it's going in here? I don't see a reason for it to. Like this low? I don't think so. No, I need DXY to cooperate. And it's not. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. So I was just like, okay, yeah. Sorry about that. Sometimes I forget to switch the screens. So here, we already took this low, remember, during the 9:30 to 9:40, 9:50, 9:30 to 10 a.m. yesterday. Remember, some of you guys got the short. Then I got into the silver bullet long here. So we already took this. So I don't know where I would aim for if I were to short NQ because there's not like equal lows. You know, this was already taken. Like, how many points did we move lower? But we're only negative 28 on the day. Negative 0.28% negative on the day. So my thing is, if like you think this is a higher MMXM, what are you aiming for? You're aiming for us to come like over here, all the way down here? Maybe we could, honestly. If this is Thursday reversal and Friday even more, I mean, there's this huge one here. I think we're just gonna have to see this reaction here for the rest of the morning. So far, we're just consolidating after the expansion, so it's good that we're not in anything, right? There's no rush right now. Salve on your short looks so scary. Thank you. It was fun. Yeah, pretty much where we got out. Someone called me 11, I think, which is funny. Trading day is done for you. Yeah, I'm happy with what we got here. It looks like by 11, probably more consolidation. On these days, right? I find that typically like lunch has a continuation, 12 to 1. Could be like a grind lower. Let's check out the Dixie DXY. Again, we're just between these two. It's really not that helpful. I mean, we'll see how today's ends, right? If we literally end in this range again, not helpful at all. The 5-minute didn't respect this, so it's, look, DXY is going to the sell side of the curve, perhaps for here, like we said. Like initially I had thought we were going to go lower, but I switched. So let's check out the chat real quick. Let me write out in case anybody's confused what's happening here. This was the breaker. This is sort of what I care about now, is like, where are we going to close in this one? Like, we're still in this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, I have to put some people in time out for just like spamming. I mean, let me see. There's news at 1 p.m. Go down NQ while lead. It's funny, some people are in the shorts. Yeah. Right, so if we're looking at weekly profiles, I mean, today is pretty much classic Thursday reversal. So I do anticipate actually the rest of the week. I mean, we're still green on this week, which is crazy. We could go for like yesterday's low. That's a possible target actually. But you know, we should, if we're continuing, right, bearishness, we actually should like break and close below this today. That would be good. And then tomorrow we can look for more shorts. Like, this could be a potential failure swing on the daily, right? Where it comes up and then like we make a little failure swing. Failure swing, a swing high. A failure swing is a swing high that fails to take the other high, right? So we can do like this. Potentially. We'll see how today ends. So far, I think the Captain backtest model might be coming into play actually right here now. Right here. I think I might try that. And DXY is going up now again. I might try that on this eval, you guys. What do you think? Let's see, what does the chat think? Short? Where is the chat? I lost the chat. Okay, here we are. Oh my god, no. I'm gonna stay on this screen for now, but this is your Captain backtest, like, entry would be at this low. Sell stopped in. I didn't get in yet. For continued trend lower. Because this candle broke below this and now it's swept low. I didn't get in yet. But I might get in soon and put a stop at like 50 above CE of this. Because DXY is going back up. I'm thinking like for as an eval play. Short to 5,800, that's crazy. But I will try the Captain backtest model. Here we go. On an eval, we're trying the 150K for, how would I say, MyFundedFutures is the first trade for that. And hey, I'll cancel it if it closes back above CE of this. I honestly need to figure out how to put in these things on TradingView. I haven't traded on TradingView in a while. But this is the Captain backtest model here, which is trend day continuation. I do think it's valid, but it is Ooh, it's a very large stop. LOL. But hey, it would go for 100 points at least. It looks like it's a good area. We could actually look for, maybe I should take 2 off. Now we'll see. See how this candle ends? I would like it to invert this. I would like it to close below this fair value gap. Yeah. You can trade from the RR tool in TradingView? I didn't know that was a thing, LOL. That's like this is honestly like a huge, where I think it would, on the Captain backtest, typically it's just like it's a 25 point stop. So actually I would just take it off like 25 points would be here. Meh. It could come back there. Yeah, so let's try it out. Okay. So we're up a little bit, obviously. Target 801, people are saying. Yeah, actually I have this over 801.50. This is yesterday's low, I believe, right? Question is DXY going to cooperate here? I think it could. And if you guys are interested, so this is my first trade on the 150K expert account eval for MyFundedFutures. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I took a large size, I understand. But we'll see. I mean, I think it's a good trade. I'm gonna just take it. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Are we gonna get another W on the stream? Are we gonna get it? I'm gonna have to figure out how to. Don't be like me, you guys. I gotta figure out how to do the create new order. Whatever, I'll literally like do it just manually here with like how ICT does it. Like 1 by 1 maybe. Okay, someone said they're trailing on the 1 minute. Yeah, sure. Right, we can look at this as a potential bounce area. I really don't like it when it stalls here at these freaking OBs. But DXY is still looking bearish, so I think that this is like probably gonna get ran. But I can take like something off maybe. I'll think about it. I only have like 2 minutes to think about it, but I'll think about it. Let's look at the 30-second. I hate it when it does that, you guys. So I will take some off, honestly. Just so I don't have so much risk. Just take one off. It's being dumb. Coming back to break even area. Boring. Why is it back in here? I feel like it's just gonna be boring now. It's not gonna work. It should have like just gone. So I will take that probably off in a second. Yeah, I'm gonna take that off just for negative for a break even. Yeah. Take it off for basically break even. What's the what is the balance? I lost nothing because I took one off already. Okay, break even. Okay, because of that, we're not going anywhere for like the next hour, honestly. My humble opinion. So, I think like we're gonna chop for the next hour. So don't get caught in any chop, honestly. Like we're rejecting again DXY over here. Look on the We're rejecting the freaking daily fair value gap again. Like, why can't you just be a little bit cooperative, DXY, sometimes? Why can't you just have like a second continuation, an easy one? But whatever, we got lit on this one, on this move up here. So we killed that one. Right? Because this was actually our play for shorting NQ. It came back in here at 9.55. It's around where we were short to go for this high. But yeah, right now, no. Unfortunately, I just know how these a lot of the times, like when you see that stalling here at the last like bullish PD array, it's just gonna chop. Look, 50% of this respected. So yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up here, you guys. I'm excited for like the continued growth of this this live stream. It's been so fun. It's been so crazy. We're gonna be back here again at 9:15 a.m. tomorrow. Make sure. Same bat time, same bat channel. Check out if you're looking for any of the sales, they're in the description below. Check out MyFundedFutures. They have last day is you have to buy it until Friday for their static 50 accounts. I think I'm gonna use that for the 930. I have a couple. I think I'm gonna use that for the 930 model that I've been testing out. And what's nice about that is that there's like no stress about. I think there's no monthly on the. Actually, I'm not too sure, but on the static, no activation fee. So you can chill. You can take as long as you want, essentially. And check out Apex. Today's the last day for passing an account in one day if you want to just try some trades for zero or hero. Have a great day, everybody. We got a nice W on the chat. We had a lot of fun. We'll be back here again 9:15 tomorrow.